You teething? Yeah. Oh, goodness. Right in there? Oh, which one is it? That one? Goodness. Oh. Well, at least it's Saturday and we're home. I feel the same way. Yes. Did you have fun with your Mimi? Yeah. You guys played? Good heavens. Yeah. You can't wait till she comes back to see you?